What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be diagnosing the Meerkat here. The last couple of videos I was trying to get it started and something's going on with it. So I have a compression tester here from AutoZone. I was just going to go get the one from my dad's house, but it's Harbor Freight, and the fuel pressure tester I bought from Harbor Freight leaked the very first time I used it. I turned the key forward on my truck and there's just gas spraying everywhere, so I'm going to stick with this one. And so I already got the plastics, everything, spark plug out, so I'm going to get this set up and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I got the compression tester all set up, and you see this is a very brand new battery. So I got two batteries for both the four-wheelers, so I have to keep switching back and forth because that was just getting really annoying. So, alright, let's see what we get. Huh. Okay, so 90 first time. Let's just do it again. Alright, so it's not as high as it's supposed to be, but still should be enough to run. So I'm going to take this back out and double check for spark again. I know that I have spark, but it might kind of just be like intermittent spark. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see that. Alright, it's got spark, so I'm going to dump a little gas down the cylinder and see if it does something. It should. Alright, so I poured a little bit of gas down there, so let's see what we got.